Hey there everybody, my name is Nathan Cott. I'm going to be doing a blog post for Healthy Helix, and at Healthy Helix the main idea of our blog is to see how genes are affecting our overall health, primarily our physical health. And this video, this blog post is just basically a summary of this concept, and I'm going to be explaining it. So first off, I want to start off with a startling statistic. Basically, diets fail 95% of the time, this one website said. 95% of the time, so that's pretty ridiculous. No chill in that. People go into using diets to achieve their goals, and it's failing this many times. Absolutely no chill. 41% of adults in Canada and 61% of adults in America are obese, overweight. So, it's this devastating cycle that, what's going on? Why is this happening? Well, it might be because of your genes, and many people use that as a buzzword, we don't know. So I started looking into it a little bit more, and I found that genes are affecting, what you can eat, your nutrition, and they're also affecting your physical activity. So basically, for the example of them affecting your nutrition, there's a gene called PPAR gamma. I'm not going to say the full name because it's actually ridiculous. So basically, there's a genotype, which is somebody has this genotype. They have less expression of insulin, and therefore there's less glucose metabolism. So the individuals with this are now more sensitive to the negative effects of saturated fats and more importantly, refined carbohydrates. They're both a big contributor in modern day society's diets because of fast food. Saturated fats are high in energy, so the human body loves them, so that's why we can't get enough of them, as well as refined carbohydrates are so easy to metabolize that the human body is just energy for them. So we like eating it. That's like fast food and stuff. So basically the solution for these people is that they need to use energy sources like PUFAs, which is polyunsaturated fatty acids. So it's different from saturated fatty acids, and they can metabolize it a little bit easier and put on less weight, as well as fibrous carbs or slow digestion carbs, because it's not refined and it's easier on their digestion according to their enzyme. So basically that can be a solution for them, and 7% of the population has this one. On the other spectrum, for physical activity, there's a gene called ACTN3, which is a gene that dictates if you're a sprinter or if your muscles are more into endurance. And that's because it's affecting your type 2 muscle fibers, which is your fast twitch muscle fiber ratio. Some people with this gene mutation have more of the fast twitch muscle fibers, which indicates that they're more of a sprinter. So you should be doing weight training, because that's, you're using your fast twitch muscle fibers there. It's a sprinting exercise kind of thing. Or if you have less of the type 2 muscle fibers, then you have, more type 1 muscle fibers activated, which is your slow twitch muscle fibers. So be, an endurance athlete, do some jogs, have a fun time out there playing those kind of sports to get healthy, because it's easier on your body. So 37% of the population has that genotype, which is huge. And basically that's just like a little overview about how genes are affecting your health. And I'm doing a project right now. I found 27 genes that are actually, dictating types of stuff like this, your nutrient metabolism, like how to get optimized nutrition as well as optimized physical activity. I'm focusing on weight loss. So through this, I'm going to be posting a lot of this information on Healthy Helix. Follow me, like, share the video. We'll learn together. We'll be ultimate human beings together. Let's go on this journey and let's get super healthy, everybody. So thanks for watching my video. Have a great evening.